Hey, this is Diablo Killer 24, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a jumping character using action scripting through the frame only, instead of actually using the character to make the action script. As you can see, I have a pre-made one right here. Hold on. And let's give it a test. I can jump, move, and do basically everything I could the first time when I made jumping characters. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a new Flash ActionScript 2.0 file. Create your character. Mine will just be a circle like always. Convert it to a symbol. Make sure the registration is on the bottom. Name it whatever you want. Go to its properties panel and name the instance name character. Well, that can really be anything you want, but I'm going to use character. And then we're going to create some ground. So make a ground. Mine will just be a reddish kind of color. After you have just a part of a ground, select it, right click it, and convert it to a symbol. Name it anything you want, and then make sure the instance name is ground. And go into ground and then draw however many more layers you want. So I'll just kind of make mine like that. Okay, and then we'll make a couple different sizes. Okay, now go out of ground and then create a new layer. Name it. You don't have to name it, but I'm going to name mine action script. Go to its first frame and go to actions, and we'll type speed equals 8. Equals 8. Jumping equals false. Falling equals false. Gravity equals 5. And jump equals 12. And now we'll do the movement functions that we did before, which is function right movement. And this part right here where it says character, that's what you use as the instance name. Like if you named your character's instance name as like car1, char1, however you say it, then you'd name that car1 or whatever. Character dot underscore x plus equals speed. Okay, and after you have this finished, we will start creating the jumping part. So now do character dot on enter frame equals function, and actually we need to create the moving still, so let me do that really quick. Oops, I'm typing bad today. Let's copy that. Okay, and after you have that finished, let's give it a test. Okay, so now you can move left and right. And now let's start on the jumping. So let's do if underscore root dot ground dot hit test. Oops. Character dot underscore x comma character dot underscore y comma true and falling, meaning and it's falling. we'll do jumping equals false, falling equals false, jump equals 12, gravity equals 5, and after that we'll do if exclamation point underscore root dot ground dot hit test character dot underscore x character dot underscore y comma true and exclamation point jumping, meaning if it's not jumping, and then we'll do falling equals true. Oops, equals true. And after that we will do if key dot is down key dot space and jumping equals true. Okay, and then next we'll do if jumping, meaning if it is jumping, character dot underscore y minus equals jump minus equals 0.5, and then we'll end that. And then if jump less than or less than 0, then falling equals falling equals true. And after that we'll do if falling and not jumping, so exclamation point jumping, character dot underscore y plus equals gravity plus equals plus equals 0.3. Okay, so now let me explain the code. Okay, so what this does is when you're hitting okay, hold on. Okay. When character is hitting the ground, it'll set jumping and falling to false, and it sets jump to 12 and gravity back to 5, which is the defaults. And okay, and then it sets this back to default. And then what this does is when you're not falling or when you're not touching the ground, it sets falling to true, and you're not jumping. I'm sorry. It sets you're falling to true, and then if you press the space key and you are not jumping, you set jumping to true. If you are next is if you are jumping, it'll set your character to jump, which will just make it go up by jump, and then jump will start to decrease, and that's that. And then when jump is less than 0, it sets falling back to true, which then makes this work if you're falling, which is stopping everything so you stay still. And then if falling and not jumping, it sets character, it adds gravity to the character, which makes the character go down. Now let's give it a test. You can move, you can jump, you fall, you can jump. Okay, and that's today's tutorial. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll be doing plenty more. Thanks for watching.